नमस्ते। नमस्ते बिटिया, सदा खुश रहो। I am Jamian Dr. Alka Jain, Associate Professor in the Department of Community Medicine, FHS, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. So, in the continuation of your digital sessions, the topic for today's lecture is cold chain. Now, first of all, what is cold chain? It is a system of storage and transportation of the vaccines at recommended low temperature. This is +2 to +8 degrees centigrade all along from the time and place of the manufacturer to the time and place of its use. Now, what is the importance of the cold chain is this system of maintaining the cold life for the vaccine is necessary because the vaccines are sensitive to heat and light. They may lose their potency when exposed to heat and light. And if the once vaccines loses its potency, it cannot be restored and it becomes a waste. So care must be taken to see that the vaccines do not lose their potency before the date of expiry by maintaining cold chain. The all vaccines retain their vaccine potency at the temperature between +2 +8 degree centigrades. So the vaccines, when they are exposed to excessive heat, cold or light, they may lose their potency or effectiveness. Now, heat damage is a cumulative effect, and it is reconstituted vaccine is more sensitive to heat and light. Measles and BCG vaccine should not be used 4 hours after reconstitutions, and Japanese encephalitis, which is 2 hours after reconstitutions. Temperature of diluents and vaccines must be same during reconstitution. So here is the sensitivity of different vaccines. The least sensitive vaccines is hepatitis B, then TT, tetanus toxoid, then DT, diphtheria toxoid, then BCG, Bacilli calmette guerin, DPT, diphtheria, pertussis and tetanus, and then after measles, and then OPV, and after the first number is BCG. BCG after reconstitution is the most sensitive vaccines for heat. And the vaccines which are sensitive for freezing is hepatitis B, then DPT, then DT, and the TT, tetanus toxoid. So tetanus toxoid is least sensitive both for heat and cold. Now, all vaccines tend to lose potency on exposure to heat above +8 degrees centigrades, and some vaccines like hepatitis B, tetanus toxoids, and diphtheria, pertussis, and tetanus lose potency when exposed to freezing temperatures. And some vaccines are sensitive to light, and the damage is irreversible, and physical appearance of the vaccines may remain unchanged, but potency might be lost. So, this is equipment for maintaining a cold chain, and it is called a vaccine carriers. It is used for carrying vaccines, almost 16 to 20 vials and diluents from PSC primary health center to the outreach session sites with 4 conditioned ice packs. These are the ice packs which maintains inside temperature of 2 to 8 degrees centigrade for 12 hours. And after keeping in this box, the lid must be closed tightly to maintain their effectivity. Never use any day carriers with 2 ice packs or thermos flask for carrying vaccines. Now, this is the way of correct packing of the vaccine carrier. Now, storing vaccines in the ice-lined refrigerator. This is a picture of a ice-lined ILR, ice-lined refrigerators, and here how we can uh, keep these different types of vaccines. Store all vaccines in baskets and store diluents in baskets for 24 hours before next sessions. Keep space between boxes and keep thermometer hanging positions in baskets and maintain temperature between plus 2 degrees centigrade to 8 degrees centigrade. And arrange vaccines in order. This is in top to bottom. सबसे पहले ऊपर होना चाहिए hepatitis B, then DPT or DT or TT, then BCG, then measles, then OPV, and discard any frozen hepatitis B, DPT or TT vaccines. Now, freezing ice packs in the deep freezer. Deep freezer is mainly used for freezing the ice packs. Domestic refrigerators are used only in urban areas with assured electric supply. Hold over time, time taken in absence of power to raise temperature from minimum plus 2 degree to maximum 8 degree for a domestic refrigerator is only 4 hours. Specific order of storing ice packs and vaccines in domestic refrigerator. How we will store vaccines in domestic refrigerator. This is high specs and OPV in freezer, uh, block door panels and vegetables tray at the bottom with thermocol, and measles vaccines may be stored in the chiller tray below the freezer, followed by T series vaccines in the shelves below. Hepatitis B should be stored below all vaccines. This is vaccine vial monitor, and this is a usable stage and this is unusable stage. Readings the stage of VVM. The inner square is lighter than the outer circle. And if the expiry date has not been passed, and here you can use the वैक्सीन्स एंड अनयूजेबल स्टेजेस में क्या होता है कि यहाँ पे जो वीवी या जो अंदर वाला जो सर्किल है अब वो भी बाहर वाले सर्किल के कलर की जैसी सेम हो गया है तो द कलर ऑफ द इनर स्क्वायर मैचेस दैट ऑफ द आउटर सर्किल्स एंड इन दिस कंडीशंस वी डू नॉट यूज द वैक्सीन्स एंड इफ द कलर ऑफ द इनर स्क्वायर इज डार्कर देन द आउटर सर्किल इट शुड बी discarded. So this is all about cold chains and how we will maintain temperature which is required plus 2 plus 8 degrees centigrade for all type of vaccines. Thank you so much. And this session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box.